Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Pen bypass, which is also known as the Bustamante Highway. Now unfortunately this road has a record. It's a very unfortunate record. This road is the most dangerous road in Jamaica. It has had more fatal accidents than any other road for the last couple of years. So it is the most dangerous road in Jamaica. Now it bypasses the town of Pen. Pen is a very large town and it is very congested. So if you're going to Pen, say you're going to Mandeville, this is the bypass road you can take so you don't have to go through the actual town, and driving on this road saves a lot of time. However, the road goes all the way to, goes from here all the way to the roundabout, and then from the roundabout all the way up to Sandy Bay. And that's where the road ends. So we're just going to take a quick tour on the road. Now to the left is the town of Pen, and to the right is Highway 2000. So Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. But the road is being built in phases or stages, and the stage from Pen to Mandeville is under construction, and it's running to the right of this road. So hopefully when that road is opened, the highway is officially opened, then maybe you'll have less traffic on this road, because you'll now have another alternative. Instead of driving through the town, you can take this bypass that we're on, or you can now take the highway. So hopefully when that highway opens, the number of fatalities on this road will go down. Alright, so let's take the tour of the Bustamante Highway, or it's also known as the Pen bypass. And the highway, it's going to be a toll road. The entire stretch of the road from Kingston to Montego Bay is going to be a toll road. So the part that's open now, Kingston to Pen, if you're in a class 3 vehicle, that's what we're driving, from Kingston to Vineyards Toll Plaza is 900, and from Vineyards Toll Plaza to the Pen Toll Plaza, that is 300. So to drive from Kingston to Pen, you're looking at 1,200. The toll structure for the Pen to Mandeville leg is not out yet, but as we said, it's a toll road, so a lot of persons will still use this road. However, some will use the highway. Okay, at this intersection now you turn right, you go to Vernon Field, and you also go to the Milk River area. Milk River is a very popular mineral bath in Jamaica, and you have another one of those mineral baths in Rockfort and one in Bath, St. Thomas. Okay, on the right, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, you can see parts of Highway 2000. We actually have a lot of videos up of the highway under construction, actually driving on the highway, so you can check it out. Both sections, the Kingston to Pen leg, which is finished, and the Pen to Mandeville leg, which is under construction, so you can check out those videos. Alright, we're now coming up to the intersection where you can drive into the town of Maypen, or you can continue straight on the bypass. So here now, if we turn left, we would go into the town of Maypen to take you to Glenmuir Drive, which takes you to Manchester Avenue. But we're going to continue straight on the bypass and head to the roundabout where the existing leg of Highway 2000 ends. So on the right is where both section or stages of the highway are going to intersect or join. Alright, so this roundabout now, if we keep left, we will stay on the Maypen bypass. If we continue around and take the second left, we go on to the Highway 2000. And if we come straight around, we then come back. Alright, let's go. Left there, that's the Maypen bypass. Left here, that takes us on to Highway 2000. And if we turn left here, well, that's the construction to the highway, the new highway. And if we turn left here, we take the Maypen bypass. That's the road we just came up. So let's go here and go on the Maypen bypass. Continue driving on the Maypen bypass. So there are three main entrances to the town of Maypen, and you can access all three from the Maypen bypass. Where we just passed, by the roundabout, that intersection, a little down from the roundabout, you can enter the town, and that takes you straight to Glenmuir Drive and into onto Manchester Avenue into the town. You can access the town from the other end where the video started on the Maypen bypass, and that will take you into 4 parts, and then from 4 parts you drive into the town of Maypen. And you can also access the town from straight ahead by the Mineral Heights roundabout. You can also access Maypen from that end. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.